In this video, I'm going to show you how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. So if you wish to be out of Instagram where no one can see your profile and your existence on Instagram, but you don't want to permanently delete your account, then this video will help you do that. So if you find this video helpful, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. So to get started, all you need to do is to go and tap on your profile, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, go ahead and tap on these three lines. And this will open the settings and activity option on your account. Now go ahead and look for account center and tap on it, which is this. Now under account center, go down until you get to account settings. Under account settings, look for personal details and tap on it. Now from here, look for an option called account ownership and control, and here it is. Tap on it to continue. Now here you can see we have an option either to deactivate or to delete our account. So go ahead and tap on it to open the settings under it. Now on this page, all the Instagram accounts that you own will be displayed. So go ahead and select the one you wish to deactivate. For my case, I only have one Instagram account, so I'll go ahead and select it. Then you'll be presented with this page where you have to choose whether you want to temporarily deactivate your account or you want to permanently delete your account. For our case, we don't want to delete our account, but we just want to deactivate it temporarily. And as you can see here, deactivating your account is temporary, which means anytime we want to activate our account back, we can still go ahead, log in and reactivate our account. So go ahead and tap on deactivate account. Once you're done, proceed to continue. And then you'll have to enter your password to finalize the process of deactivating your account. So that's how you temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.